Dear students, today we are going to see the term limit test. So what it is and what are the types coming under limit test. We have known the term limit. So what is the limit? That is the value or amount that is likely to be present in a substance. And we have come across the term test. So what is the test? That is used to examine or investigate. So what is the limit test? That is used to identify the impurities present in the substance, and we are comparing it with the standard. So now we'll see the definition of limit test. It is a quantitative or semi-quantitative tests that are designed to identify and control small quantities of impurities which are likely to be present in the substance. So what they are quantitative or semi-quantitative tests which are designed to detect and limit the small quantities of impurities. So first we are detecting that and we are limiting the small quantities of impurities which are likely to be present in the substance. Now we'll see the types of limit tests. There may be three types of limit tests. First one is test in which there is no visible reaction. Second one is comparison method, and third is quantitative determinations. So first one is test in which there is no visible reaction. So already we have come across the terms color, opalescence and precipitate. So what is the opalescence? That is the insoluble solid particles, they can be called so. So if you are not getting color or opalescence or precipitate, they are coming under that test. Second one is comparison methods. In comparison methods, first we are preparing a standard solution and also a test solution, and that standard should have a definite amount of impurity, and that should be set up at the same time. I mean the standard should set up at the same time and same conditions as like the test. And we are comparing the amount of impurity in the substance with a standard of known concentration. So here we are comparing the amount of impurity, and we can tell whether the impurity is within the limit or excess of the limit that is prescribed in the monograph. So now we'll see the examples for this comparison methods. They are limit test for chloride, limit test for sulfate and limit test for iron. The limit test for lead and arsenic, in practice they are as comparison methods. They are like comparison methods, but actually they are not so. They are coming under quantitative determinations. Now we'll see quantitative determinations. So here the amount of impurity present in the substance, that is actually determined, and we are comparing that one with the numerical limit that is given in the pharmacopoeia. The examples are limits of soluble matter, limits of insoluble matter, limits of non-volatile matter, limits of moisture and volatile matter, limits of residue on ignition, loss on ignition, and finally hash values. So that's all about the introduction of limit test. Next class we'll see limit test for chloride. Thank you.